Hi, I'm Mindy Tietz, and this is my Marygrove retractable awning. I picked Marygrove because of the big coverage space that it gives. I tried a regular patio umbrella, but it just wasn't going to be big enough to cover all my furniture. So I wanted to support a local business, and I contacted the folks over at Marygrove Awning. They came out quite quickly and got me set up with a wonderful awning. The installation was seamless. They came out in one day and had it done. They even contracted out a contractor for electrical work too, so I didn't have to worry about that because back here I don't have any outlets. And I wasn't sure how I was going to get a motorized awning on my deck without an electrical outlet. Now Daisy and I can sit out in the summer and enjoy the weather. We can even sit out in the rain and just enjoy the rain and stay dry. And some days, even at night, if I have a gathering, we turn on the wonderful LED lights in the retractable arms and sit and just visit with friends or read a book or just relax. Thank you, Marygrove Awning. I have had so many wonderful compliments on the awning. I have friends and family who are even thinking about getting an awning for themselves because a little patio umbrella just is not going to cut it. So thank you, Marygrove. And now I can use my wonderful patio set and sit on my deck and enjoy it for many years to come.